Dear students, this lecture is for 5th Sem BCom. The subject is Accounting for Managerial Decision. Today's topic is Uniform Costing and Interfirm Comparison, and the subtopic is Activity Based Costing, Unit 6, Session 60. Students, the learning objective of this session is to understand the basic concepts of activity-based costing. The session outcome is that students will be able to know that activity-based costing is a new term developed for finding out the accurate cost. It uses activities as the basis for calculating the cost of products or services. In traditional costing, there is no general basis of allocation of indirect cost, and it is left to the judgment of cost accountant who selects the most appropriate basis of allocation. The basis of allocation may be machine hour rate, direct labor hour rate, direct wages, direct material, prime cost, and production unit method, etc. These single cost driver rates may misinterpret the cost due to unscientific allocation of overhead to products. Activity-based costing is a new term developed for finding out the accurate cost. The basic feature of activity-based costing is its focus on activities as the fundamental cost objects. It uses activities as the basis for calculating the cost of products or services. Let us focus on the meaning of activity-based costing. Activity-based costing focuses on identifying activities or production processes that are used in process a job. These individual activities are grouped together with the similar processes into a cost pool that relates to a single activity cost driver. The cost pool are then analyzed and assigned a predetermined overhead rate that will eventually be assigned to individual job and products. Thus, activity-based costing is the process of tracing cost first from resources to activities and then from activities to product. The definition given by CIMA, that is CIMA official terminology, defines activity-based costing as cost attribution to cost units on the basis of benefits received from indirect activities. For example, ordering, setup, assuring quality, etc. Let us focus on features of activity-based costing. The first feature it is creation of number of cost pools. Activity-based costing involves creation of number of cost pools linked to different activities. The second feature is that charges overhead in proportion to the cost driving activities. Activity-based costing charges overhead cost to jobs or products in proportion to the cost driving activities instead of charging overhead based on direct labor hours or machine hours. The next feature is that more precise unit cost. ABC costing enhances the traceability of overhead costs that result in more precise unit cost data for management. The next feature is that remove non-value added activities. Identification of cost through activities and their causes not only assist in calculation of more precise cost of product or a job, but also remove non-value added activities. The elimination of non-value added activities would bring down the cost of product. Thank you.